person who will change for a day. But a goodness of heart is always there and will live from a lifetime. When we are the color of black, the first thing who came in our mind is dirty. But, and according in our Holy Bible, that when you are the color of black, that means you have respect in our Black Nazareth. So that I'm glad and happy that I am standing in front of you to represent the color of black. Maupay na gabi sa inyo at tanan, or should I say a pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen, and in between. A girl in front of you is a 14-year-old stunner who hails all the way from the pride of the beauty queen, Sandra Manila. Yes, I am Balangkasila, Yokohama, wearing ang perlas ng silanganan national costume from Dumaguete City. But tonight, please allow me to invite a name of one of the most gorgeous faces in showbiz ABS-7 Channel 2. Your cosplay queen, and a woman who captured the heart of Mr. Ibes Flores. Yes, please allow me to stand by the name of Miss Myrtle Gail Tarosa. I believe in a saying, to who you are and what you are, and to become a person that you are capable of becoming, is the secret of a happy life. For every living soul in this world has different beliefs, perfections, and ambitions. All you want to do is just will be yourself. Again, I am candidate number 17, aka Ms. Myrtle Tarosa. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 17.
Yes, fresh from PBB2 and Miss Marcel Tarosa.
And now let's proceed